Hello everyone, welcome to the Walmart Sparkathon 2024 video demonstration by the team Dharis. Our topic is Walmart Shopping Assistant. Let's go with the introduction. Walmart Smart Shopping Assistant is an AI-powered companion for a smarter, more efficient shopping experience. This innovative app combines cutting-edge technology with Walmart's commitment to customer satisfaction, bringing a new level of convenience to your in-store visits.
In today's fast-paced world, customers often find in-store shopping time-consuming and overwhelming. They struggle with first locating items in large stores, second, making informed product choices, third, efficiently navigating through aisles, fourth, managing their shopping list, and finding personalized recommendation. These challenges can lead to frustration, wasted time, and a less satisfying shopping experience.
Now, the features that we have included in our WalBot shopping assistant include an interactive shopping list, a WalBot AI assistant, a store map navigation feature, along with an optimized shopping route feature, and finally, a personalized product recommendation system.
Now let's check the video demonstration where we will go through all these features.
Hello guys, so this is the interface of our WalBot. On the left side is a shopping list where users can add items and it will automatically categorize it into a checklist. For example, I want to have bread, fish and egg. Also need to buy sunscreen for Google Party. Okay, when I click on add item, it will automatically create a checklist for me. Okay, so the checklist is created. Moving on to the right side, we have our WalBot. WalBot is a smart AI-powered chatbot that helps you query about some products or recipes, or if you just want to compare two products. For example, which sunscreen is better for oily skin? Okay, let's click on get answer. Okay, so it has listed me some of the sunscreen which are beneficial for oily skin. So the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 50+, and some more. Moving on to Walmart Recommends. Walmart Recommends is a smart recommendation system that recommends you certain products based off your shopping list. It also gives you complementary products based off your shopping list. So for example, it has given me whole wheat bread, fillets and white cake mix, also some complementary products like paper towels, which are essentials, and some more lotion that we can apply on our skin. Moving on to the store map, it provides a store map for you. When you click on find items on the map, it will highlight the areas or the aisles in which the items of your shopping list are present. It will take some time. Yeah, as you can see, the frozen foods, personal care and bakery have been highlighted for your particular shopping list. You can also get a optimized shopping route, which will give you the directions and also an audio guidance for that direction. Okay, so it has created me directions for my shopping list and also an audio
1.
guidance.
Enter the store and head straight.
So this was our overall Walmart smart shopping assistant. With this, we aim to enhance the in-store shopping experience for our users and also create and also save money. So thank you.